Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to add and subtract fractions in this video. We will start by showing you how to find a common denominator because you will use this step when adding and subtracting fractions. When finding a common denominator, you need to line up your fractions vertically. Next step is using the giant one to find the first common multiple. For this, you will need to multiply the numerator and the denominator to get the numbers to a state where you can add or subtract them. Subtract the numerator, but keep the denominator the same. And if the fraction is a improper fraction, convert it into a mixed number and simplify it as much as you can. Now that we know how to find a common denominator, let's try a practice problem. John was walking to school and has walked 3/5 of a mile of the way. Sally was walking to the same school and has walked 5/8 of the mile there. How many miles have they walked combined? Their school is 2 miles away from both of their houses. How many more miles do they have to go? Okay, so let's start with the question, how many miles have they walked combined? So let's start by pulling out 3/5 of the mile away and 5/8 of the mile of the way. So then let's write that out. Okay, so now let's use the common denominator. Is the common denominator, so 3/5 times the giant one of 8/8 equals 24 over 40. Now let's use the combinator for 5/8. So that would be 5/5, which equals 25/40. So now to add them, for how many miles have they walked combined? So that means that we have to add them. So 24 plus 25 is 49/40. And that's an improper fraction, so now we have to convert it into a mixed number. So 40 goes into 49 one whole time, and there's 9 left over, so that'd be 9/40. So 9/40. 1 9/40 is your total answer. Okay, so now we have the information that the school is 2 miles away. And how many more miles do they have to walk? So we have that they have already walked 1 mile and 9/40 of the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 and 40/40, which is the same as 2. So that equals 2. And then we're going to take 1 and 9/40. And now we're going to subtract them.